In this video, we are going to see how we can recover any deleted TikTok videos or post that you have recently deleted on your TikTok profile. So let's say that we open this specific video up, and let's say we clicked on the three dots and swipe all the way towards right, and we chosen delete from here, and you can see it clearly that restore post within 30 days from the activity center is possible. So let's say we have deleted it. After that, we swipe out and we move to our profile. Now from the profile, on the top right hand corner, you can see these three lines. Click on that. And from here, as suggested, there is activity center in the personal tools. We'll choose that. And from here, you can see recently deleted videos. But for some reason, if you can't see it here, what you need to do is you head over to settings and privacy. And from here, just scroll all the way down to this section which says content and display. We click on the activity center. Now, once your videos are deleted, before you used to find this feature to restore it in the three lines, and you just click on activity center, verify it, and you could see it here to restore the deleted videos. But now it doesn't exist anymore. So what do? You will instead head over to the settings and privacy, click on manage post, and once you verify, you will see under manage post you have recently deleted option. Click on that, and you are still within the time period, so you should be able to recover it. You open this up and you click on restore to confirm, and that is how you can get it back in your profile. You just refresh it and we got our videos back. So that is how we can restore the deleted TikTok videos easily using this simple option. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.